Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change your name in Mobile Legends. To change your name in Mobile Legends, click on the top left corner of your screen to open your profile, then click on your profile name. It says that this change requires spending rename card, and for the first use it's free, but if you want to change your name more than once, then you may need to pay for it. So I haven't done it yet, so I can change it for free. Then click on OK, then OK, and it should be applied. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.